Ready for a burst of summery creativity? In today's Scrapasketch Creative Team video, I'm using the vibrant Hello August printables to create a bright, layered scrapbook layout full of sunshine, colour and fun summer vibes. I'm Kathy P and I'm here with a fun layout for the Autumn Bonanza Challenge and promotion for Scrapasketch. Using bonus sketch number 5, I meet the challenge with 2 photos, orange, yellow, printables, fussy cutting and Nuvo drops. Let's work the process together. So these printables are just magic. Look at them. They are so beautiful. They are called This Year August, and I'm using these to create my page. Now at the very beginning you would have seen me flashing my nails. That was because at school we had a fun day, and the girls, my year 6 girls, they decided that they'd create great designs on my nails, and I promised them that I would use them in a video. So I'm just using them here to show off the creativity that doesn't just happen on paper but happens on nails as well. So I am trimming down this beautiful paper and I just love the floral print. It's just beautiful. Lisa's done a great job with this one. It is just perfect. The colors I love. I love the orange, I love the yellows, I love everything about this range. And so I am just marrying the patterns so that I can extend the length. And the likewise here with this gingham paper. Now anyone that knows me, I do like a good gingham, so I will put those into a layout where I can. And this orange one ties in nicely for that summer vibe. Remember, at Lisa's shop on Facebook and also on the net, you can purchase these printables for a minimal cost, and they really do stretch your stash. And as you can see, the designs are made so that they fit together, and you can just extend them to the length of your 12 by 12. I print them out on A4 as they come by the print size, and then I just marry them where I need to. Now you do see the line in the join, I'm not going to lie. But once you start working your layout, that disappears into the design and it's no longer a focal point. So don't be afraid to use printables to create your 12 by 12s. They really do work. And as I said, Lisa's ranges are so great with design that they just marry nicely. And I can't... I really just keep getting amazed every time I come back to a layout I've created that are totally printables. And it's just like a really great addition to the stash, especially as we move through these tougher economic times. This is a great way of getting very creative. Now I love this yellow starburst, and at first I was going to do a circle, but then I decided that I would turn it into a starburst as well. Then I used the blue wave underneath, and you can see that my matting is a little bit bigger, so therefore the edging was not right to the end of the design, but that's okay, because when I add in my embellishments, that's going to color that and cover it up so that nobody will see it. Only you and I know that it's not a complete starburst. So I'm just now using the pink dots from that range, and I'm going to drag in some more of the florals because I just love the florals, and I'm going to use the rest of this yellow starburst because it gives a different pattern, and that will be able to go into the vertical lines down the center. Now this is a half design. Instead of being on a vertical, it's being on instead of being on a horizontal, it's being on a vertical, and that's a different way. Now you could turn it around and it could be a horizontal design. That's the versatility of the sketches. You don't get stuck with one orientation, and I really do like working with Lisa sketches for that purpose. They are quite usable and malleable and moving around in building your designs. So I'm just layering up that strip of 3 that Lisa has in her sketch, and that will create the anchor point for the clustering and for the whole feature of the layout. So using the bright colors of summer always adds a positivity to a page, and it just makes it a nice, happy, bright and cheerful layout. So I'm just putting down my tape, and I'm putting it across quite a lot because I don't want it to lift. And there you can see how the blue has now just added that little snap of color to capture the photo vibe, but also to lift that design. So I'm contemplating there whether I want to match my photos, but in the end I decide not to go with the colors of the printables, but I gone over to get the autumnal florals printables, and I'm using the green in there to pick up the green in the photo. So that's another thing about Lisa's printables. You actually can mix and match them because they are designed to blend and complement beautifully. So that will give a hint of green from my photos to my layout, and also pick up the green that's in the floral leaf pattern to the left. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to pop them into place, and then we can start using all the fussy cut elements that are in the icon part of this Hello August and building up our cluster points. So I've gone and fussy cut off screen because you don't need to see that. And I'm just pulling them all to the center so that I can sort through. Now I will use most of them. There will be some that I don't. But I also did go in to get some from Beside the Sea because I wanted those starfish in there. So you can see at the top where I've put Hello Summer, it actually says on that smiley starry type sun that Hello August. Well, in Australia, summer isn't August. August is still winter. So I'm just covering that up, and I'm just putting in summer there. So that shows you how I can build and mix and match with the elements to match where you are. I've also added in a camera from the extensive range of printable cameras that Lisa has. She has them in every color you can imagine, and you will find one to match any design by going through her camera icons on the store. And if you stay tuned right to the very end, I'll give you a special code for this month only, and that will really, really help you build your stash by going in and purchasing. So there's still plenty of time, a couple of days left to the end of September for you to take advantage of that great price drop that Lisa is offering. So I'm just going around the outside of each of my elements on this layout here just to make them pop off that background, and that's really just adding that little bit of extra point of interest, and I really do like the effect it has. Instead of layering it onto black cardstock and then recutting, I'm just using the fine line pen to add that little bit of extra interest. And then I have gotten a thicker black one to go around the actual edges of the layout just to finish it off and add that definition, and that's how this has created that final overlook on that layout. Now you can see here how bright and summery this looks. I'm adding in my journaling, which Lisa has down at the bottom underneath that photo, and that's about my daughter. She is a beach babe. She always has been, loves the water. She thrives in it. She's a mermaid. We used to call her our mermaid because she comes alive in the surf. So this was taken last summer. I love how this has come together. Look at the amazing colors in this range. I'm adding in some Nuvo dots at 3 strategic points around my layouts, and that is allowing that visual triangle to be set up, and I am amazed. Look how good these printables look on this layout. You too can have a great layout created through printables by going to Lisa's shop, checking out the amazing amount of ranges that she has there. Seriously, there are themes for every season, themes for every occasion, and there are a few that you didn't even think of. So go check them out. I'm really sure you are going to find something that impresses you, and you will be able to build your stash for a limited amount of money, and just keep reprinting like the printable icons over and over and over on different layouts, because you can just print and fussy cut, and look how that turns out. So check out Scrapasketch at www.scrapasketch.com. Lisa has some sketchbooks there as well. She has a Facebook that you can go to. The code is autumn25 for 25% off. Thanks for watching. Here's my next video, and stay creative. I'll see you there real soon.